Hands down, one of the biggest struggles for any beginner dropshipper is finding which winning products to sell. But the problem is that most beginners will choose products that they think will sell or something that they think looks cool, and that's just the wrong way to go about it. So this is the exact reason why I started this series, giving you guys the top 5 winning dropshipping products. And today, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. And all these products are perfect for you to sell here in May 2025. So if you're excited for the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you can drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And if you're a complete beginner to the business model and you want me to teach you personally on how to get started because you're lost, I want you to go down to the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy. It's my full A to Z dropshipping program. It comes with a full course full of hours of step-by-step tutorials going over everything that you need to know. So if you're interested, again, go down to the description, check it out. And without further ado, let's hop right into product number 1. All right, you guys, so hopping into product number 1, we're hopping into an absolute banger already. Okay, so this is a red light therapy brush. This is a product that you can sell year round. It's an evergreen product, and you can create a premium brand with this. Okay, so how this product works is you basically will take off the top on the back and you can put your own essential oils in there. So you can massage the essential oils into your hair. It's more so towards like a hair growth type of product. So that's one problem that it solves. But also you can have the bristles move and massage your scalp, which you'll see in the video ad that I'm going to show you here in a second. So it massages your scalp. It has red light therapy technology, which is super popular right now. So there's so many different marketing angles that you can take with this product. Now, there's tons of high quality images that you can, place on your website. You can get some from Amazon. There's a bunch of other listings of this product as well. If there's any like words or, like things you don't want on these images, you can always use Canva's magic eraser tool. I love to do that. You can put these images in here and you can delete whatever text is just like doesn't make sense. So that way you can still have a high quality image. You're going to get the product for $26.30. And I know that this is just the welcome deal and you usually don't want to pay attention to this, but I've already done, supplier research. You should be able to get this product for around this price. Okay. And that's shipped. And since, again, it solves multiple problems, it's a beauty product, and it's an electronic, you can easily charge a premium for this product. You can easily sell this for like $50 plus, okay? So that's gonna give you a healthy margin. It comes in a black color, it comes in a red color, and I believe it comes in a white color as well. So try to keep as many of the variants on your site as you can. All right, so if we check out the competitor's video, this company's called ScalpTick. There's a couple of them out there that are trying to sell this product right now. None of them are really that great, but the product is getting views, which is a good sign that there's demand. So this just says POV, you got a brush that releases stress. So again, stress is another angle that you can take for this product. So stress, red light therapy, hair loss, all great marketing angles that you can take for this product. Now this was just recently posted about, what is this, 4/16, so maybe about a week ago. It has 36,000 views. They have a pinned video with 260,000 views, 79,000 views. So if you check out another competitor, this one's called Rejuvicone. They actually haven't been really posting much, but a lot of their videos get thousands of views. And a lot of them have been posted pretty recently. So 76,000 views, 85,000 views, 166,000 views. Like this product has like demand. Like you can tell that this product is something that people would want. And if you come to the top of their pin videos, this video is their most viewed one. It just says the perfect gift for hair growth lovers doesn't exist. They're just showing that the hair oil is going into the device, the bristles move so that way you can massage your scalp. Just an easy, simple demonstration of the product. So again, like you can do so many different things with this product, and that's what you need for products like this. You want products that have different marketing angles. The more marketing angles, the better. All right, so if we check out the competitor's site, this is ScalpTick. I couldn't get the other one to load for some reason, but I wanted to show you something. Now, there's not really much to show here because this store is ass, to be completely honest with you. So if you can just come in and make a better store, bomb branding, good ads, you can easily make this product work. Like the reviews don't even match. Like this is bad. This is terrible. But anyways, this just shows you that there's multiple competitors out there that are trying to sell this product. They're getting views. They're just not doing it right. So again, if you watch my channel, there's no reason why you can't make a better store than this, because this product right here is definitely something that could easily be a multi-million-dollar brand. Now, just to be clear, I found each and every single product on today's list using the amazing product research tools on AutoDS. Now, AutoDS is an all-in-one dropshipping tool that saves me a ton of time because I'm able to find and source products all in one place. Now, this right here is their ad spy section, and I hate having to go to the Facebook ad library, the TikTok Creative Center, and have all these different tabs open. I can see ads from all different platforms, all underneath one hub. So I can see Facebook, Instagram, and I can also see TikTok ads, and then scroll through and see what's trending in the market. Now, their handpicked product section is another way to find winning products fairly easily. You can just click on this week's products, and it's going to show you all the products that are trending and are making sales currently. So as you can see, it's updated literally by the hour, 8 hours ago, 14 hours ago, 20 hours ago. And if you see right here, 4 days ago, this is literally one of the products in today's video. If you click on it, it's going to take you to this screen right here where you can see, again, a bunch of useful information. You can see the advertisements on Facebook and on TikTok for this product, where you can also just download them. And the best part is you can import this as a draft right to your Shopify store with just one click. So when I say that AutoDS is amazing and one of the top dropshipping suppliers that you should be using in 2025, I really mean it, because of the fact that you can get a reliable supplier that's going to get you fast shipping times and a product research tool where you can source the products right when you find them. It's crazy. You can try this on your store for the next 30 days for only $1. There's no catch. It's literally $1. You can try this out on your store, see if you like it or not, but I promise you, you're not going to regret it. So if you want to check this out, it'll be the top link in the description. Let's hop right into the next product. Now, product number 2 is something I've shown numerous of times on other top 5 videos, because the product just sells and there's always different variations. If they're always reinventing a new version of the product, it's because the old product worked. It sold, okay? So this product right here is a 3-in-1 electric makeup brush cleaner. This product solves a massive problem. Women don't have a way to be able to store and clean their dirty makeup brushes. Most women will just take like a paper towel, dip their brush underneath some water, and then kind of just dab it to get the makeup off, or use soap. There's no real way to do it, and this product solves that. So there's tons of high quality images that you can use on your site. It comes in a pink color and also a beige color as well, and you're going to get the product for around $15.19, and you can easily sell this for $40-$50 depending on how you brand this. Now, the competitor is called Glee Makeup, okay? They have 48,000 followers, and as you can see, all their videos get thousands of views. They actually do a really good job on their content. This video right here got 2 million views. This was literally maybe a month ago. And it's just demonstrating the product, showing the dirty makeup brushes before and after. You really want to focus on the before and afters. That's how you're going to get this product to sell. The video that I was actually going to show you guys was not that one. And it looks like it was posted a while ago, 400,000 views. And again, it's just a different variation. They're literally doing the exact same thing as all the other videos, just again, doing it in an aesthetically pleasing way. And if we check out the comments for some of these videos, they all say the same thing. What's the price? I need that. Where can you get it? So on and so forth. So there's definitely buying intent for this product, because the product basically sells itself. Now, their website is a lot better than the previous product. This is definitely branded. They made these images, you can tell. 20,000 plus happy customers. I really like that little badge. I like these images here. Just looks a lot different than a typical dropshipper selling the exact same product. Now, they're selling this for $40, but as you can see, they're doing a free gift. They're doing a free USB cable. Now, I actually think that the USB cable comes with this product, but they're framing it in a way that you get the free USB cable to bolster their offer, which is really smart. It also comes with a free brush cleaning mat. I also wouldn't be surprised if this actually already came with the product. But if we scroll down, it just says, welcome to a new era of brush cleaning. Shows the exact same kind of gifts from the TikTok videos. Very good branding. I love the color scheme. I love how they're showing off the product. Definitely not bad at all. They have some testimonials and FAQ page, and then they ended off with some reviews. Now, I would like to see a lot more image reviews. You don't want just text reviews. You want to see real people using the product. But all in all, this is a pretty solid product page. I definitely recommend that you check this product. Let me know in the comment section if you were going to test this yourself. So product number 3 is actually super interesting. It's a headache migraine relief hat. So pretty much what you do is you take the hat, you're gonna put it inside of your freezer, and then once you get a headache, you can put the hat on and it's supposed to relieve your headache. Now, you also can, boil water as well and put the cap in there. I'm not sure you're gonna wanna put that on your face, but I'm sure you can use it to relieve soreness in maybe your knees or your legs, whatever the case may be, okay? So it's a product that has multiple different purposes, and you can go, different ways as far as your marketing. So you're gonna get the product in a black color and a pink color as well. It looks like this seller actually has over 10,000 plus of these sold. There is a big brand that sells this product, but that doesn't mean that you can't get a piece of this pie. A lot of people think that, just because a product has a main brand, that doesn't mean that you can't take the product to a different country and do just as well, okay? So you're gonna get the product for around $15.24. It's actually a little bit lower than this with a private supplier, but you should be able to easily sell this for $30, $40 plus, depending on how you brand it. So this company right here is called MigraineMiracle.us, and they're not even the main competitor that I've seen selling this product, okay? But it looks like they've already branded it, they've already private labeled, put their logo on the actual product, so it's obviously selling, right? So as you can see, a lot of their videos are getting thousands of views. So that's just, again, free attention to your brand. So this video right here that we're going to be checking out just says migraine sufferer. It's got 90,000 views. It's very recent. It was just posted this month, about a few weeks ago. So as you can see, she gets the pack out of the freezer, puts it over her face, and it soothes migraines naturally, okay? And that's what I was talking about with the whole ibuprofen thing. Like, you can kind of frame it to where it's like, don't take these, you know, bad medicines. Instead, you use our migraine relief cap, and this is a way to relieve your headaches without having to take a bunch of medicine. But to give you another example, as you can see this video right here, hangover, question mark, again, another angle that you can use. So there's so many different ways like that you can position yourself with this product, but even their pinned videos, as you can see, 9 million views, 5 million views, like this product has demand. So if we check out their website, as you can see, Migraine Miracle, it looks like, again, they private labeled the product. These are all custom images. And just like the previous product, they're also doing another offer as well. So it's very important that you make offers, craft your offer in a way where people will purchase from your brand over the competitors. So they're offering a free anti-noise earplugs for this, which makes sense with the type of product that we're selling here. And then it's a buy two, get one for free. So if you have friends or if you have family members you want to give this to, you could take advantage of that as well. So their website, not really formatted the greatest. It looks like they just took some of the AliExpress images and just put some text underneath. You could definitely make this 20 times better. And then they ended off with some reviews, and it looks like actual reviews of their own product, not just like from AliExpress. So that lets you know that they're getting orders and people are satisfied with the product. But all in all, I'm not really like blown away by the branding of this product. I think you could do it 20 times better. There's so many different marketing angles that you could take with this product. You could take the product, market it in a different way, and also market it in a different country, and you could really stand out and start crushing it with this type of product. Product number 4 is for the people that have the nasty feet, calluses on their feet, just disgusting feet in general, okay? I've spent the past 5 to 10 minutes looking at disgusting feet, and I'm over it. I want to get to product number 5, so let's get through product number 4. So product number 4 is an electric foot file, okay? You're gonna get the product for $19.75, and it does just exactly what I just said. It gets all the dead skin off, it removes all the nastiness off your feet, okay? It comes in a pink color, it also comes in a black version as well, and you can easily sell this product for $40 plus depending on your branding, because you got to think of it from a woman's perspective. If they go out and get a pedicure, it can cost them upwards of $100. So if they're able to get the same at-home experience, women will definitely pay for this product, even if it's just a touch up before they go to their next appointment, to kind of like prolong having to go to an appointment every week. This product is game changer, okay? So there's also another variation as well. Same kind of thing, just a cheaper option. You don't have to sell this specific option, but again, this is another product that has multiple different variations, and they're improving on the product because the product just sells. These are the units sold on TikTok Shop for this product, and as you can see, it's pretty consistent. These are the sales for this product on TikTok Shop, and as you can see, it's pretty consistent. It's doing about 1.7K units sold each and every single day, which comes out to $23,000 every single day and $667,000 per month for this product, which is absolutely insane. All right, so I'm gonna let this video play for like 10 seconds because I just don't want to see it anymore. But there is the product in action. Like, it's actually insane how disgusting those feet are, okay? There's really not much explanation to it, but you can see the type of scroll stopping content you can make with this. You can show dirty, disgusting feet and the product, removing all the dead skin, and then you can get into the features and the benefits of the product. It's really simple, easy way for you to be able to make ads that stop people in their tracks. And if we check out the competitor's website, they're doing this really well. This company's called Dermave, okay? They're branding this, again, very well. These are all custom images. They have the pink version, the black version I just showed showed you. All types of custom images. They even have a GIF here as well. If you didn't know, put a GIF inside of your product gallery. For some reason, I just feel like it increases conversions. People want to see the product, and it's a way to show like a quick little clip of your product at the top of your product page. So they're selling the product for $39, like I said before, and there's opportunity to make even more money and increase the average order value by offering more sandpaper discs. It already comes with 60 included, but you can offer, an upsell of an extra $4.99 to get, 120 or 180, whatever the case may be. There's a lot of opportunities for upsells with this type of product, but they're doing a fantastic job. So see what our customers have to say. You can see, a ton of videos here, as seen on Insta. I really like this banner here. Real customers, real results. They're showing a ton of testimonials of people's disgusting feet, but this is what you got to do. You have to focus on it. For any product that you're selling, you have to focus on before and afters. If there's a way for you to show before and afters for your product, it is a must, and it makes it so much easier for you to sell. And if we keep scrolling down, the product page is just fantastic. They have GIFs showcasing the product, so that way you're not looking at a bunch of static images. They answer all of your questions. It's formatted nice, it's branded correctly, and then they ended off with a ton of reviews, and it looks like they have perfect 5 stars. No, okay, 4.9 stars. You never want to have a perfect 5-star rating. No one has a perfect 5-star rating, so make sure that it's just a little bit below that, so that way you look like you're not just a fake brand, right? So anyways, this is a great product. I definitely would check this out. There's so many different variations, so many different ways you can market this product. The advertisements are really easy to create. Let me know in the comment section if this is something that you're going to test. Hopping into the 5th and final product on today's list, and this is a great one because it's in a massive niche, something you can sell year round, and people are willing to pay hundreds of dollars to be able to relieve any type of pain or aches in their bodies. So this product right here is a posture corrector. Obviously, if you have bad posture, you're going to experience aches in your bodies. You may have some back pain. So you can really get into that type of pain point. Now you're going to get the product for $12.75, and you can easily sell this for $30, $40 plus, depending on how you brand this. Maybe you can do a buy one, get one free, buy one, get one 50% off. People will definitely want more than one of these. So definitely make sure that you pay attention to your offer. Now this listing only has a black, but there is a pink version as well, and I believe white. So make sure that you have all the different colors available to your customers on your website. Now on TikTok Shop, you can see that this product is selling pretty consistently, doing about 532 units per day, which comes out to about $5,500 per day and $154,000 per month, which is super solid and definitely something you can come in and get a piece of the pie. The company we're going to be checking out is called CurePose. Now, that's a fantastic name for this type of product. Now, their pinned video actually has 10.3 million views, and it's just like any other product in this type of niche. They play on the back cracking, so it's like extremely loud and over-exaggerated. It's a way for you to be able to continue to watch the videos, but as you can see, it's a lot of before and afters. Before the product and then after the product, showing how good their posture actually gets. Now, this video right here was posted just recently, literally last week. It has 358,000 views. It just says, "My girlfriend has lower back pain," and then it goes into the same kind of demonstration, the before and after, as far as bad posture versus good posture. You get the point. And if we check out the comment section, a lot of people are just asking about the product. Where can I find this? What's the name of the product? How much? How do I get it? I need one, so on and so forth. And this is exactly what you want to see from a product that's a potential winner. You want to see that people are asking where to buy the product, where to find it, so on and so forth. Now, their website is pretty basic, to be completely honest with you. They're calling this the CurePose Posture Corrector. It's pretty much the same images from AliExpress. They're selling this for $24.99, and I know that there's a shipping fee on the back end. Now, these type of products are pretty inexpensive to ship out, even when you're drop shipping, so you don't have to worry about that. You should be able to still get that healthy $20 margin, but I recommend that you have some sort of offer. Just having no offer in 2025 is going to do you no good. You have to offer something. But if we keep scrolling down, they have some gifts, like the same videos from their TikTok. I mean, it's just a bunch of text, and nobody wants to read this, and it just doesn't really sell the product that well, in my opinion. But they do have some reviews here, actual image reviews, which is nice. But all in all, this is definitely something that you can create and make 20 times better. Now, some offers that you can do for this type of product is pretty simple. Buy one, get one free is amazing, just because you can do like a buy one and try it with a friend. Like, this is definitely a product that you would try with somebody else. Or that you would need multiples of. So doing a buy one, get one free would work. Even if you have to up the price to about $39.99, people would definitely pay, $20 per for 2 units. It's not a bad deal at all. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you learned something today and that you found some products that you could potentially test. Let me know in the comment section which product you're thinking about testing and which one was your favorite. I can tell you personally which one was my least favorite, and that was the callus remover tool. I never want to look at dead skin and callus feet ever again. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. And if you're a complete beginner and you want to learn step by step from myself on how to get started with a business model, go down to the description and check out Unlimited Ecom Academy. It's literally the only dropshipping guide that you're going to need. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.